If you're still losing trades week after week, you're not cursed. You're just repeating what 90% of other traders do wrong. Fixed profit here. I've spent the last 10 years studying why most traders never break through. Not because of bad signals, but because of flawed processes. If you're stuck on break even or burning capital, this video may be what actually changes your outcome. I optimize my work with a smart robot. It monitors the market and gives informed recommendations. And here's the important thing. You can get this bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. Right now, you can click on the Trial Signals button in the main bot menu and try it out without registration from any trading account. Follow the link in the description and try the trading bot today. So I've started work. This is over-the-counter trading, 5 minutes. Euro to Turkish lira. The bot recommended I enter the market on the downside. I think the overbought momentum is favoring the sellers right now. I think the bears will soon be able to capitalize on the stronger momentum. Folks, to not miss new, useful, educational, and inspirational videos, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Put a like and write comments. Our team is very happy when you do. It helps our channel to grow. Now I am preparing a cool course on technical analysis for you. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages at the link in the description below the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience. It is not financial advice. I show how I do it. By the way, I accelerated the price movement for easy viewing. Stop risking more than 1-2% of your trading capital per trade. If you have $100, that's a $1, $2 trade. If you have $1,000, you risk $10, $20. This rule isn't optional, it's your lifeline when things go sideways. Without it, no strategy, no matter how clever, can save you. I'll never forget the time I lost 60% of my account in 3 impulsive trades across 2 days. I thought I had intuition, but it was ego. That moment forced me to rebuild with discipline, build a journal, and insert one tool into my process that leveled me up. A signals assistant that enforced my rules. Most traders treat trading like a reality TV show. They want drama, quick wins, and highlights. But the real winners? They treat trading like a blueprint. They don't chase setups. They let structure validate their entries. They avoid emotional decisions. They keep it simple, and they last. How to trade smart. Trade only when structure aligns trend, volume, consolidation, breakout. Always risk just 1-2% per trade. Filter setups across 2 or more timeframes. Use your signals assistant. It alerts only when your system lines up. Journal every trade, your logic, your emotions, your result. Weekly review. Track patterns and refine your edge. Signals Assistant Fixed Profit doesn't predict the future. It just prevents you from trading bad setups. It enforces your process. It fires alerts only when your strategy conditions are met. It keeps emotional impulses away from the trigger. This week it flagged a GBP USD rejection at resistance, confirmed by a volume spike and alignment on 2 timeframes. I risked $15 on a $1,500 account. Entry was precise. That's clarity, not luck. I just got a good result again. You saw it on your screens, folks. By the way, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. Link below the video. Just now, the bot was recommending that I hit the red button again. I saw areas of declining highs on the historical data. I think the bears are now able to continue to develop an advantage. Yes, price may rise a bit, but it will fall again soon because the bulls have not yet accumulated enough volume to reverse the trend. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. Friends, the big advantage of the bot is its ability to analyze the OTC market and give results even at night and on weekends. Here's the kicker. For the next 30 days, you can claim lifetime access to the Signals Assistant, completely free. After that, it becomes subscription only. No relaunch, no second chance. If you want structure instead of guesses, now's your window. Links in the description. Did this hit home? Click like. Subscribe if you want strategic clarity, not chasing setups. In the comments, what's the biggest lesson you learned the hard way? How do you maintain discipline? Share your tools, your rules, your routines. And grab the assistant from the description while it's still free. You're not broken. You've just been trading without structure, and structure is the only thing that scales. Talent doesn't beat discipline. Emotion doesn't beat logic. Your process beats chaos. If you trade $1 on a $100 account, that's pennies earned per win with a $1,000 account trading $10 per trade. That's dollars earned consistently. The edge doesn't change, only your scale does. Strip your chart of clutter. Only mark up structure and volume zones. Note reaction candles at key levels, not just patterns. Review your losing trades more than your winners. They expose your weaknesses. Now your turn. What rule protects your capital? What indicator or routine transformed your process? How do you avoid impulsive entries? Drop your answers below. Real traders talk about process, not luck. I've just successfully completed a job. You've seen my results. Get the bot and subscribe. It's only going to get more interesting from here.